Greetings dear clients and valued subscribers. This is Ison Company with you. In this video, we will be reviewing the Ison IP400FPTZ 5A-IPTZ IP surveillance camera. This is a 5 megapixel camera with a Sony sensor, PoE power supply, 18 times optical zoom, night infrared illumination up to 80 meters, smart analytics, human tracking options, an SD card slot, a built-in microphone and speaker, meaning it supports two-way audio communication. This surveillance camera is available in several different housing options. There is a 7-inch housing option. There is also a 5-inch version, which accordingly is a bit smaller. As already mentioned, this is a PTZ surveillance camera, meaning it can rotate left and right up to 355 degrees. It also tilts up and down by 70 degrees. These functions can be controlled remotely from a phone, tablet or computer, just like the zoom options. The camera also has a patrol tour option. This means you can set points on the screen yourself and the camera will rotate between these points, scanning your property. The camera is designed for outdoor use. Actually, it's universal. You can install it both indoors and outdoors. It's made of high-quality metal. It has an IP66 protection rating. It is dust and moisture proof, not afraid of rain or snow, and can withstand temperatures from plus 55 to minus 60 degrees. The camera package traditionally includes its own power supply, protective caps, the camera itself, and it also comes with its own bracket, inside which the connectors are sealed. The camera is of very high quality, both in terms of build and video. It features the best sensor, the best processor, and the latest generation infrared illumination. That is, the infrared illumination here is not based on the old unsightly R5 diodes, but on modern high-quality IR LED diodes. As is traditional for all Ison equipment, the warranty is 3 years. The camera is equipped with all the latest features. These include WDR and 3DNR technologies. These are technologies for surveillance cameras without which essentially your money would be wasted. Because no matter where you install your surveillance camera, several times a day you'll encounter situations where sunlight will hit the camera lens, or on the contrary, a shadow will fall across it. And at those times, all the faces in the frame will become dark on cameras that don't have this feature. In other words, faces will be unreadable and car license plates will be illegible. Here, there is a technology in place that solves this problem. Moreover, this is the original WDR technology, not a copy, not a replica, not a fake from AliExpress. Right now, there are a lot of surveillance cameras on the market where they claim the camera has WDR or DWDR technology, but in reality, either it's not there at all or it's implemented incorrectly. Here, it is specifically real WDR technology. 3DNR technology is a technology that reduces the amount of noise, that is graininess, in low light or nighttime shooting conditions. If you have any questions about this surveillance camera, feel free to ask our managers. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss our new videos.